So, what is good? The hashtag Carla crew. I see y'all in the comments every day. I had to get a chance to rep the crew. Subscribe to join the crew in those comments down below. Today, I'm bringing you guys a updated hygiene routine 2019. Okay, so this is like the next year for my most popular hygiene routine video. I will link down below that video if you have not seen it yet for like my 2018 routine. My routines stay kind of similar except for I find new products and I update you guys on my products and my routine and what I'm doing. And since it's summertime right now, I feel like this is like one of the most important and best hygiene routines that I'm making that are recent because it is like summer oriented. Things are going to be in there, and also a really fun product that I just discovered that is not sponsored, that I just genuinely love and bought it by myself because I saw it at the store. All right, so keep watching for a amazing best hygiene routine ever. Okay, ladies? Or whoever wants to follow it, I do not judge, okay? So right now it's super hot because it's like about to be summertime and I feel like my face is sweating. So if there's sweat on my face, please can someone let me know in the comments below. I was gonna say, please someone let me know. But the only way you can let me know is in the comments, and it's gonna be too late. But anyways, you wake up in the morning, you're like, okay girl, I gotta take a shower. Oh my gosh, what am I going to do? So I got y'all on them products. Please don't even front. All right, so the first thing that you do in the morning is hopefully get up and take a shower, because I like to take a shower in the morning because it's gonna like, boom, kickstart my day. You know what I'm saying? I used to be, oh, I'm into taking showers at night. But then when you get older, you're just like, hold on, like I actually prefer to take showers in the morning. It really wakes you up. I don't know if it's just me. Let me know in the comments. When you take a shower in the morning, doesn't it just give you that boost that you need to start your day? Like it can't be just me. But this is the Neutrogena Rain Bath Renewing Shower and Bath Gel. Pear and green tea Neutrogena. Every time I come at you guys with a hygiene routine, I feel like I share this product. Oh, it wants to focus on my chains. Wow. I feel like I share this product and it is fabulous. It's just a bath gel. You can also use this as a shaving gel. So say you're like trying to shave your armpits, squeeze a little bit, put it on, toom, toom, shave, boom, boom, bang, it's done. It's shave, honey. Okay, it's that easy. And it comes in different flavors, people. You don't have to just get the pear and green tea. So I will have my hygiene routine products linked down below to shop it directly online. So if you guys want to have my exact routine overnight ship it, girl, we got you, Amazon. Okay, so yeah, if you guys want to overnight ship it and start smelling and having the same exact routine as me, hey, it's all new. But this is what I use to wash. Okay, so the next important step in hygiene would have to be shaving, because you guys know you have to stay shaved, especially in the summertime. You're wearing shorts, you're wearing bikinis, and you have to shave underarms, legs, everywhere, bikini area. Oh my gosh, y'all, it's so much work. We have to do so much. Moisturizing shave oil, though, this is by Tree Hut Bear. Again, like I said, I will have this link down below in like a category of like all of my products in like a playlist, and you can like purchase it. It's really cool, so just check out that link. But this is the moisturizing shaving oil, soothes skin and helps protect against cuts. Okay, so I use shaving oil over shaving cream. I like the consistency, and I also find that it lasts longer because I feel like you don't have to use as much product. All right, the next one is the Tree Hut Bear Post Shave Soothing Mist. So this helps to relieve itchy skin and prevent ingrown hairs. So you just spray this on, you know, your armpits, bikini area, wherever you feel like you need to spray. I don't use this often. Yeah, I used it, but it's like I don't use it all the time. Like these products, I like run through them. But this is great for your shaving needs. So then when you get out the shower, that is when it's time for moisturizing. So I like to deeply moisturize. I used to just use lotion, but then I discovered this Vaseline. This is Intensive Care Cocoa Radiant with pure cocoa butter. It is vitalizing body gel oil for healthy glowing skin. Oh my, when it says the level of moisture is rich, it's literally the max. Oh, it is, y'all. You don't even want to put on a lot of this product or you're about to be like so shiny. I'll use like a ratio of 3/4 to 1. So I'll use 3/4 of this and 1 of this. So I'll like put out some and then use that much. You know what I'm saying? So however much I squirt out of the lotion, I'll use 1/4 of that equivalent. You dig? So 3/4 to 1/4. Okay, add it up. It's 4 out of 4. 100, baby. 1. Math. I'll mix up these products together. Oh, this is the Jergens Nourishing Honey Oil Infused for Visibly Smooth Skin with honey and orange blossom essence. So it's not too overbearing because this is like so jelly, the formula. If I were to just use this or just use this, I'd be too dry and then I'd be too oily. So you kind of gotta mix it up for the perfect in between. Oh, this is extra. This is obviously not mandatory, but for summer, this is included in hygiene. So this is the Neutrogena Ultra Sheer Body Mist Sunblock in SPF 30, a weightless clean feel, ultra light mist, non-greasy, and it's also waterproof, which I think is key. Non-greasy, ultra light mist, waterproof. All of those are key. #1 dermatologist recommended sun care. Okay, Neutrogena, baby. You just spray this on. Okay, I need to spray this because I'm about to go outside. And it's not about even to be sunny. But it's that easy. Sunscreen that's sprayable is so much better. And it doesn't smell bad or like sunscreen. That's why I love it. That's why you're here for my hygiene routines. That's why you need to subscribe to stay up to date with my hygiene routines, because I will keep you posted on the latest of hygiene. So your hygiene is always on 10, because hygiene will always be important for life. Nobody wants to smell bad and nobody wants to be around anybody that smells bad. So I suggest you to subscribe to get those latest products. So typically I would put on a body mist, but because I put on the sunscreen, that's gonna like switch out the body mist so it's not so many products. Okay, so watch a different hygiene routine to get the body mist juice, or click that link down below because I'll have a body mist in there, but it's just not in the video. But I discovered something brand new that is super awesome. This is Pacifica. It's called Contact High. First of all, I like just got this maybe a month ago. I'm already like halfway done. Y'all see, love it though, obsessed with it. I will have it linked down below because you're probably like so confused. This is the secret product that I've been talking about that is fabulous. So you just put it on. It's an oil and you just rub it on like this. So I'm literally sitting here smelling fabulous. Y'all don't even know. Everyone loves this smell who I show it to, by the way. I showed it to different age ranges, different backgrounds. They all love it. It's called Contact High. So I just put that on like my neck, behind my ears, on my wrist. I'll even rub it on like my stomach sometimes because this is like my to-go-to fragrance, but I'll also put this on when I get out the shower because it just smells so fire. And it has that oily consistency, so it kind of blends well with my oil and lotions. But then the real fragrance that I use is the Versace Bright Crystal. This is a perfume that I've been using forever. This is probably like my 4th or 3rd bottle that I've ever gotten. And look, I'm like about to be out of this product. This hygiene routine is real. It's real. Who's buying me this? I'm just kidding. I'm gonna buy a new one by myself. Boss moves only, money moves only. Get into the shmoney all year. No broke dudes. I can get it on my own. Oh my gosh, I just sprayed my in on my face. Right. I'll buy my own perfume. Hashtag 2019. Hashtag that. So then, all right, Secret Clinical Strength Clear Gel, okay? Completely clean. This is deodorant. You always need a deodorant. You guys can't just put on the, like you could literally do this whole entire hygiene routine, forget deodorant, and you're screwed for the whole day. Especially in the summertime and you're super sweaty. You just lift up that armpit, it's like, whoo! Like, you lift up that armpit, whoo! It's like waves. Like, no, girl. Please get this deodorant. Secret Clinical Strength Clear Gel Completely Clean. Girl, I know what I'm talking about. Please get this deodorant. And Secret, just get at me. I put this deodorant on. This is my favorite deodorant of all time for life. I will be wearing this. Hello, Secret. Put me in a commercial. Can you see it, Secret? Just imagine. Okay. It's not for toothpaste, but I got that smile that's going to sell this deodorant, okay? You know, you got to put yourself out there. You never know who is watching. You never know who is watching. Okay. So then the next product for personal hygiene is in the summertime. Sometimes you just want to touch up, you know, even when it's like, you'll just be like running throughout your day. You don't have time to take a whole new shower, which I've done, like literally, like you just get so hot and sweaty. You're just like, I want to take a new shower. Sometimes you don't have time. So I highly recommend these wipes. I just discovered these, okay? I got these at Target. This is the Honey Pot Company, plant-based feminine care. It's called Normal Wipes. Normal Wipes for intimate parts, your body parts, and your face. So that means for your whole body, because it's Normal Wipes for body. Take that wipe, boom, 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 girl, wash it off. Not your whole body, but the parts that need it. Please thank me later. Okay, so check out those links down below. Thumbs up for more hygiene routines. Okay, I'll catch you in my next one. Bye, you guys. Mwah.